Front Panel Designer has a library of commonly used system holes for use on standard 19-inch rack panels. The System Holes tool places holes at the appropriate coordinates in order to attach a rack panel to a standardized frame or enclosure for mounting multiple equipment modules. In order to demonstrate how to use the System Holes tool, I will first design a panel using Fischer system holes, then design a partial panel using Schroff system holes. I will begin by creating a new panel by pushing the Create a New Front Panel icon at the top of the screen. I select my desired panel thickness of 4 millimeters. Then, under Dimensions in 19-inch units, I will select the 19-inch panel option. Next, I will enter how many units high this panel will be. The most common heights are 3 and 6 units, so Front Panel Designer offers a box to check for either of these options. You can also manually enter the height in the field to the left. For this panel, I will check the box for 3 units. At this point, you can select the material, color and corner radius, but I will leave them as is. I hit OK and my panel appears. Now, I will insert the system holes. I select the System Holes tool at the top of the screen and wait for the menu to come up. Once the menu appears, I select the Fischer 19-inch panel option, then hit OK. My system holes then appear on the panel. Notice there are 4 D-holes for attaching the panel to the rack, then 4 drill holes. These are for attaching handles to the panel. These can be removed simply by selecting all 4 drill holes, then pressing Delete. I now have a 19-inch panel with system holes. Now I will create a partial panel with Schroff system holes. I begin by creating a new front panel again. This time, under Dimensions in 19-inch units, I will select the 19-inch partial panel and a unit height of 3. When working with a partial panel, there is now a field for HP width, which I will change to 8. When I hit OK, my new panel appears. Now I select the System Holes tool from the top of the screen, then wait for the menu to appear. When the System Holes menu appears, I select the Schroff 19-inch partial panel option, then hit OK, and the system holes are then placed on my panel. Now with my system holes in place, I can go on designing my rack panel for my specific needs. I have now created 2 19-inch rack panels, one full and one partial, with system holes for attaching securely to a standardized frame.